Hi everyone. In this video, we're diving into GoDaddy Website Builder. Is it the right tool for your website needs? We'll explore its features, share tips and tricks. Make sure to watch till the end. What is GoDaddy Website Builder? GoDaddy Website Builder is an AI-powered tool designed to help you create professional websites quickly and without coding. Whether you're building a blog, portfolio, or online store, it's a straightforward option for beginners and professionals alike. With GoDaddy, we can choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates from various industries and goals. So you can select a template that aligns with your business niche to create a cohesive brand identity. You are required to have an account first to be able to start. After you have successfully created an account, then you will be directed to this page. Here you will be asked to choose the features needed by your website. In this case, I will choose the first option. After that, you are asked to describe what type of website you will create. For example, here I will write game type of website. Then you will be asked to provide the name of the website you will be creating. Let's say Empire. Sounds good, right? Then here we describe how visitors from the website can contact you. If your business has a physical location, then activate the slide button and write down your physical address as well as the phone number, and click the next button. Now, GoDaddy start building our website. Okay, my website has been successfully created. Let's take a look. Since we are using GoDaddy for the first time, we will be given a guide on how GoDaddies work. This is the website button. It serves to display a list of our website pages, as well as to add new pages and select pages to edit the content. Next to it is the theme, which allows us to customize the look and feel of our website, and can also change fonts, color schemes, and more. And the plus button here is to add a new section on our website page. We can also choose another layout and click directly to the content of the section to edit it. And the publish button here is to publish your website, so that your website can be accessed by others. And you can still make updates later, okay? And this is how our website looks like. If we look at this section, we can change the style of our image. We can also activate the full white option here. And here we can also change the background color of the section we choose. There are 3 color options here, or to be able to further customize. There is an edit the theme color option below, and below that there is an option to change the alignment. For this case, it looks like the alignment in the middle is more suitable. Then underneath there is a site navigation feature, and if we press here, it shows the page order of our website. And under site navigation, there is a promotional banner feature. This serves to display a promo banner that will appear on the website screen. We can also set the promo message as well as navigation when the promo banner is pressed by visitors. And underneath, there is a logo feature. This functions to manage the contents and placement of our website logo. Then underneath, there's an action button. This functions to manage the navigation of the buttons on our website, as well as to set the style of our buttons. And up here there is a feature for custom domains, to create a custom website domain name suit to the business itself. And next to the theme feature, there is an arrangement feature, where if we press it, a navbar will appear containing site profile and analytic and tracking features provided by other GoDaddy. On the site profile, there is basic information which contains information about our website. Under it, there are social media links to include our social media links. Then there is a favicon to give a logo to our website tab. Then there is SEO for optimizing our website. Then under it, there is a site history to find out the history of our website. And on analytics and tracking, there is a cookie banner, which is useful for setting website cookies. Then underneath, there is Google Analytics to see website traffic. Then underneath, there is a metapixel to set up a Facebook campaign. And underneath, there are Facebook, Pinterest, meta tags, and also Google AdSense to set ads on our website. Here's a little bit tip from me for maximizing GoDaddy Website Builder. Leverage SEO features and fill out SEO settings like meta descriptions and alt text to improve discoverability. Always save a backup before making significant changes to avoid losing data. And ensure your site looks great on mobile devices using the responsive preview tool. Always include targeted keywords in your metadata and alt text for images. And maximize social media integration feature to expand your audience reach seamlessly. Here there is a plus Add Section button to add a new section. If we press it, a nav bar will appear, which contains many template recommendations to add. There are templates for audio and video, templates for blogs and bulletins, templates for files and web, templates for image galleries, contact, scheduling, trade, restaurants, and many others. The point is, using GoDaddy, we can choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates from various industries and goals. So you can select a template, customize it according to our needs, to align with your business niche, to create a cohesive brand identity. That's a wrap on our GoDaddy website builder review. If you're looking for an easy-to-use platform with great features, this might be the perfect fit. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Goodbye.